A well-designed living room requires careful consideration of furniture choice, and cabinets play a crucial role in providing both style and functionality. If you aim to declutter and organize space or display cherished possessions, right cabinets can transform living room into a stylish and inviting haven. Casa Custom offers insights on how to make the most of living room. Display cabinets or shelves offer a space to showcase favorite decorative items. Choose open shelving or glass-fronted cabinets to create an airy and visually appealing display. This allows you to add a personal touch and infuse living room with personality. A console table with storage is a versatile addition to your living room. Place it behind a sofa or against a wall to hold small essentials like keys, wallets, or mail. Opt for a console table with drawers or shelves to keep tidy and organized. If you are a book lover or enjoy displaying your literary collection, a bookcase or bookshelves are essential living room cabinets. Bookshelves not only provide storage for your books but also create a cozy and inviting ambience, adding character to the living space. Hidden storage cabinets are perfect for keep living room essentials out of sight, promoting a clutter-free environment. Look for cabinets with compartments or lift-up tops to store items. Cabinets are essential components of a well-designed living room, providing both practicality and style. A TV stand or media cabinet keeps entertainment devices organized, allow you to showcase decorative items. Console tables with storage offer functional elegance, and bookshelves add character to the living space. Hidden storage cabinets keep essentials out of sight, maintaining a clutter-free environment. By incorporating this essential cabinet, you can elevate your living room into a stylish and functional sanctuary. Follow us and get more details.